Hello students, in this video we will cover flow of control conditional statement, that is if-else, if-elif-else simple program. So flow control is tell the order in which statement will execute in runtime. So basically in our program we have number of statements. So when we try to run the program, the order will be the in according to the sequence of the lines that we have written in our program. So basically that will depend so what conditional statement we are written in our program. The statement can be if-elif, if-elif-else. So control flow include some conditional statement, transfer statement and iterative statement. Conditional statements in which we have if-elif, if-elif-else. And transfer statements include break, continue, pass. And iterative statement include for loop and while. So basically जब हम यूज करते हैं if elif else स्टेटमेंट्स का, सो वो डिपेंड करता है कंडीशंस पे. अगर हम कंडीशंस यूज करते हैं तो हम जाएंगे इन तीनों के साथ. if we want to transfer, basically if we want to change the order, because in this conditional statement we also try to change the order in, or according to that condition we will change the order of a program. So transfer statement is also the same work by using break, continue and pass statement. So if you want to jump from second statement to fifth statement, suppose if you want to jump from any number of statement to any other, so you have to use these statements. And for the iterative statements we will use for and while. So basically when you try to do same task multiple times, for this you are using iterative statements. So first example is if statement. Suppose we have a variable that have value 2 and another value we have a 5. So in if statement basically you write if, then you write condition. So our condition is if x is less than y. So if that condition is true, so according to the question, this is true. X is 2 and y is 5. So 2 is less than 5. So the output will be yes. Okay. So according to the if statement, अगर if statement true हो जाएगी, so ये print पे जाएगा और output आ जाएगी आपकी yes. Next is if else. Okay, if else, what happened in is if else, suppose we have a variable I that have value 18. हमने 18 assign कर दिया है I को. If I, basically I value is 18. 18 is less than 15. So that is incorrect. 18 is not less than 15. So we will shift to the else part directly. Instead of going inside, we will directly shift to the else part. In the else part, the statement is we have to print I is greater than 15 and I am in else block. Print I am not in if and not in else block. So the output will be these three print statement, because this condition is not true. So if part is not true, then control will directly go to the else part and whatever will be written in the else part, that will be printed in the output. Next is if-elif else. So basically instead of using like in various languages we use if else nested if else. Instead of this, Python use elif. Okay, so we have variable I that includes value 20. If I is double equal to 10, so basically अगर 20 10 के equal है, that is our, we are trying to compare the values. So 20 10 से अगर equal है, so print I is 10. But this is incorrect because I is 20 and 20 is not equal to 10. So we will go to this part, elif part. So 20 is double equal to 15. That is again incorrect. then this we will check this part. So I is double equal to 20. So 20 is double equal to 20. So yes, this is a match, and this will print I is 20. So the output is this part. So this is not going into the else part. So output will be I is 20. So let's take an example of a simple program. So we have a number 1. Basically we have a variable 1. In this we try to enter first number. Basically in this we are using input function. Basically input function का काम होता है यूजर से इनपुट कराना. जब हम इनपुट फंक्शन का यूज करते हैं तो हम यूजर से वैल्यू इनपुट करा रहे हैं. यूजर कीबोर्ड से वैल्यू एंटर करेगा और जो वैल्यू का टाइप होगा वो इंटीजर होगा. अगर हम इंटीजर int नहीं लिखेंगे सो बाय डिफॉल्ट ये पाइथन उसको स्ट्रिंग समझेगा. देन वी हैव 2 second variable. In this we also try to get input from the user, and we try to get second number. Suppose user enter this in this 10 and in this 20. Okay, and again third number is also by this method also want to we can get this from this. Okay, if number 1 is less than equal to number 2 and number 1 is less than equal to number 3. So if 10 is less than equal to number 2, so अगर 10 छोटा है 20 से and 10 छोटा है नंबर 30 से. सपोज यहाँ 10 एंटर करते हैं, यहाँ 20 एंटर किया जाता है और यहाँ 30 किया जाता है. सो अगर 10 छोटा है 20 से और 10 छोटा है 30 से भी, so the answer will be print number 1 is the smallest. So this will be printed. So in our case we are taking 10, 20 and 30. Answer will be this. But we have to follow. So answer will be this and output we will get this. Okay, let's for the change we should study these also. If number 2 is less than number 1. So basically if 20 is less than equal to 10 and 20 is less than equal to 30. So basically this condition will be wrong because 20 is not less than 10 and but this statement is right. But in case of and we the output will be printed only if the both condition will be true in case of and. So this will not be printed, and else will also the control will not going inside the else because we have where our if condition is already true. So else will not be printed. So thank you.